there we go. I got something good there. Alright guys, we are back at the beach. I only have 1 hour to fish today, literally 1 hour to the minute. So I'm just chucking on a Berkley Gulp Sandworm, and we're gonna do a little 1 hour contest to see basically what we can get on a Berkley Gulp Sandworm. Of course, the link for those will be in the description. See what we can get within 1 hour. First cast. Nothing. Oh, by the way, I broke the end of my rod, which was a genius move. Broke the end of that when I got here, slammed it in the car door. This is kind of my good luck rod too, so that sucks. But it was a cheap Walmart rod. I probably won't fix it. That's always nice. And that may be all I catch today. This might not even make it to a video. Sandy bottoms out there. There we go, guys. Got one. There we are. Ow! Little prickers on those things, man. Calm down, calm down, calm down, calm down. There we go. All right, guys, barred surf perch. Not a big one, little one. Pop the hook right out. There he goes. Let's get him back. There, buddy. There you go. Thanks for letting me catch you. Oh guys, also I forgot to tell you, I'm fishing a Carolina rig, 1/2 ounce weight, size 6 bait holder hook, about 18 inches from the weight, swivel down to the hook. Coast Guard helicopter going over. Hello, Coast Guard. Ooh, got a bite right there, but I was paying attention to the helicopter. Dang it, missed that. Fuck. Getting bites, not connecting. Oh, there we go. I got something good there. That it does not feel like a perch. It's almost like a croaker or something. It's not big enough to be pull and drag yet. I've got 10-pound line on. What is it? Oh, yeah, it is a croaker. Sweet. Check that guy out. Nice yellowfin croaker. I am absolutely loving this right now. This is great. The tide's all wrong. The water's full of plants. I keep reeling in seaweed, but I'm still catching fish, you know? So sometimes it's a pain. I've got a giant knot in my line. Things aren't really going my way as far as the ease of the fishing goes, but dude, I'm still getting fish. This is a blast. I love these kind of days. All right, guys, that'll do it. I am out of here. Like I said, 1 hour Berkley Gulp sandworm. I had to re-rig a couple times, but kind of is what it is when you're fishing structure. So anyways, yeah, that is the video. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you haven't already, I'd love to have you subscribe. I'm trying to do my best to hit 1,000 subscribers this year. I have been super busy, so I haven't been cranking out as many videos as I would like to, but I will keep on trying. Thanks again, guys, for your time. It's very much appreciated. Take care.